comes to judge the peoples with fairness.
The Lord comes to judge the peoples with fairness.
Sing psalms to the Lord with the harp and the sound of song, with trumpets and the sound of the horn. Raise a shout before the King, the Lord.
The Lord comes to judge the peoples with fairness.
Let the sea and all within it thunder, the world and those who dwell in it. Let the rivers clap their hands and the hills bring out their joy at the presence of the Lord, for He comes.
The Lord